This is an electric vehicle. This is a petrol vehicle. A petrol vehicle needs regular care and attention. An electric vehicle is always ready to go. An electric vehicle has only a few moving parts, which makes it easier to maintain. A petrol engine needs constant tune-ups, pistons, spark plugs, crankshaft, transmission, clutch, exhaust pipe, brake fluid replacements, filter changes, oil filter changes, valve adjustments, and more. A petrol vehicle needs a lot of energy to run and consumes a lot of your money. Electric vehicle consumes less energy and money to go an equal distance compared to a petrol vehicle. With less money spent on maintenance and service station visits, you can spend your saved money on the things you love. Meanwhile, a petrol car will remain dirty and become worse with age. Emissions aren't clean either. An electric vehicle requires less maintenance, gives you the peace of mind. Make the change, drive electric. This video is made possible by Mahindra Electric. Mahindra Electric Mobility is the pioneer of electric vehicle technology in India. Their mission is to bring tomorrow's movement today. To find out more, please visit mahindraelectric.com.